Hi everyone. Hey, I have a question for you. If you have been following along here on the YouTube channel, you know, or maybe if you haven't been following along on the YouTube channel, but I appreciate you being here either way. But you know, we've been in business for 27 years. I just can't believe it. We've had such a wonderful business. It's been a great time. We've had our ups and downs, and of course this year has really been wacky. It's been hard to forecast. It's been hard to hire new people. It's been hard to predict how many supplies we need. We had a huge frost. I don't know if you guys have followed that, but here in Michigan, we're the #1 producer of tart cherries that we make pies out of. And we had a frost and we lost a lot of our cherry crop here in Michigan. So our cost of cherries went up like 40%. So man, it's just been a really challenging year. But the question I want to ask you guys, if this was your business and thinking about retirement, what would you do? What would you do as you're trucking along? You know, we've got 5 kids. 3 of them are helping us to run the business. We've got a really great team of managers and leaders that are running the business and doing such a great job. My husband, Dave, still going into work every single day, working hard. We have no interest in retiring anytime soon, but how do you think we should retire? What should be our plan? I know Dave and I have thought about a lot of different scenarios. We really want to set the business up for success and for a transition in the future when we do want to leave. But how should we do that? We have one of the ideas that Dave and I have had is offering stock to each and every one of our employees, and that's called an ESOP, ESOP, Employee Stock Ownership Plan. And I really love the plan. Dave and I have looked at it for so many years, and there's a lot of other ways that you can give people stock in your company. You can do phantom stock. I want to know from you guys, what do you think we should do? Do you have any experience with ESOP? I know that there is some really great lawyers here in the Detroit area that handle companies that are transitioning to ESOP. But do you work in a company where you own part of the company, where you are offered stock and shares in the company? Can you buy more than what you are maybe given every year? We're just really interested in that. I think it's really intriguing. I think it's a really great way for your employees to feel like they have more of a stake in the outcome. They have skin in the game, and I think it could be really, really great for a lot of our employees. We have had some of our team members come to us and said, you know, that they would love to buy in, or they would love to be some kind of, you know, a real partner in the company. So I'm curious about what your thoughts are. Where do you work? Do they offer stock option for you? Maybe you have a really great pension, maybe a great pension plan, and that's your retirement from the company that you're working for. So I'd love to hear from you in the comments below on where you think Achatz Pies should go with retiring the first set of owners, right? Allowing Dave and Wendy to think about our succession, our retirement. What do you think we should do with our company, you guys? People have asked us for a franchise. They'd love to buy a pie shop. I don't necessarily really like the idea of franchising. We tried that years ago, and it didn't work out really well. So not sure about that. So you guys, I really want to hear from you, my good customers, my faithful people who are watching. Let me hear in the comments section below, or you can feel free to email me. All right, you guys, I hope that you're having a great week. Stay safe here, and still in the throes of COVID, and everybody is trying to do our best here at Achatz Pie Company to keep ourselves safe. So we appreciate you coming into our shops and wearing your masks and keeping our employees safe as well. So we appreciate it, you guys. Take care. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.